I ever wonder how simple, everyday foods can help tackle common health issues? Today, we're peeling back the layers on one such food that's likely sitting in your kitchen right now: garlic. Natural remedies have been around since the dawn of time, often overlooked in favor of modern medicine. Yet, their potential is immense. Among them, garlic holds a special place. Historically, garlic has been used as a medicinal plant across different cultures for thousands of years. From the ancient Egyptians to the Greeks, and from the Romans to Chinese herbalists, this pungent bulb has always been more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a powerhouse of nutrients and compounds that can give your health a significant boost. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, boasting properties that fight infections, support heart health, and even battle cancer. It's not just about adding a kick to your pasta, folks. Garlic isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a secret superfood with a wide range of health benefits. Did you know that garlic has been proven to have 7 major health benefits? It's time to dive into these benefits and see just how this humble bulb can help your health in substantial ways. Firstly, garlic acts as a superhero for your immune system. It's packed to the brim with antioxidants, those amazing compounds that help to defend your body against harmful elements. By bolstering your immune system, garlic aids in ensuring you stay in peak physical condition. Next up is blood pressure. If you're someone grappling with high blood pressure, garlic could be your new best friend. Certain compounds found in garlic have been shown to help bring those high numbers down, making it a natural ally in the fight against hypertension. And let's not forget about heart disease. This common ailment has many of us watching our cholesterol levels cautiously. Well, garlic is here to lend a helping hand. By improving cholesterol levels, garlic may lower the risk of heart disease, making your heart a healthier, happier organ. Fourth on our list is digestion. Garlic is like a personal trainer for your intestines, ensuring everything is running smoothly. It aids in good digestion, helping to keep bloating and discomfort at bay. Moving on, let's talk about brain health. Alzheimer's disease and dementia are serious concerns as we age. Garlic, with its powerful antioxidants, supports the body's protective mechanisms against oxidative damage. This could potentially lower the risk of such brain diseases, helping to keep your mind sharp and clear. Now, ladies, this one's for you. Garlic could be beneficial to bone health through an increase in estrogen in females. So, not only does garlic taste great, but it could also be helping to keep your bones strong and healthy. Finally, garlic is a natural detoxifier. It boosts the function of the liver, our body's detox center, helping to eliminate toxins. This means a cleaner, healthier you. So, there you have it. Garlic is more than just a flavorful ingredient, it's a health powerhouse. Unlocking the full power of garlic is as simple as incorporating it into your regular diet. This humble bulb, often relegated to the realm of seasoning and flavor, holds within its layers a plethora of health benefits. From bolstering your immune system, reducing blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels, to detoxifying heavy metals in your body, preventing Alzheimer's disease and dementia, and even extending your lifespan, regular garlic consumption can lead to improved overall health. There are many ways to introduce garlic into your diet. You could enjoy it raw, cook it into your favorite dishes, or even take it as a supplement. However, remember that while garlic is a potent natural remedy, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before making any major dietary changes. Garlic is not only a natural remedy, it's a proven health champion ready to help you live a healthier, happier life.